language you use has a huge impact on how well you're listened to and how people respond to what you have to say. And there are lots of ways in which you can sabotage your message through the use of the wrong language. And today I want to look at one of the most common of those, and that is what we call weak language. Have you ever been in a meeting or had a conversation with someone and asked a question starting with, "This may be a stupid question, but..." Or maybe you wanted to put forward a proposal and you start by saying, "I'm not sure this will work, but what about..." This is what's called weak language. Language that makes you sound unsure of yourself, your thoughts and your opinions. And I bet you hear it a lot in the workplace. When you use weak language, you're sabotaging your ability to present your ideas with authority and confidence. So when you speak, are you going in with 100% conviction and belief in what you're about to say? Or are you so worried what people might think that you play it down to soften the blow, just in case your idea is rejected? Speaking with influence and authority means speaking with conviction. It's, "I have a question," and just ask it. Don't preface it with, "It may be a stupid question." Just ask your question. If you have a thought or an idea, then it's, "I propose that we..." "I'm going to share some thoughts." "My recommendation is..." Hear the difference? So much better than, "I'm not sure this will work, but what about..." Using strong language means those listening will have confidence in you and what you have to say. Start to listen to the language that you use and identify some of the weak words you use when you speak. Words like sorry, might, possibly, maybe, just. All weak and minimising the impact of what you're saying. And I'm pretty sure as I speak there are other words popping into your head that either you use or you've heard other people use. Phrases like I believe, I think, I feel. They all sound like you're being cautious about what you're going to say, that you're not actually fully convinced yourself. So if you're not convinced, how can others be convinced and have confidence in what you're about to say? So let me show you an example of how you can change the way you speak. So the sentence is, "With this option, I think you'll see that we could create a great result." And at first you may think the sentence sounds okay and that you're confidently sharing what you think. But the words "I think" can introduce doubt in the minds of your audience. Do you think this will work? Or are you sure this will work? Are you confident this will work? You may even get asked that question. If you want to persuade your audience of your confidence in your opinion, remove the words "I think." They're not necessary. With this option, you'll see that we could create a great result. It's better. Can you still see a weakness in the sentence? With this option, you'll see that we could create a great result. Is the word "could" a confident word? Is there a better word? How about, with this option, you'll see that we will create a great result. Total conviction and belief in what you're proposing. And you can make that statement even more impactful by removing a few more unnecessary words. With this option, we will create a great result. There you go. Powerful, impactful, confident and decisive. And all you've done is changed or removed a few words. You've gone from, "With this option, I think you'll see that we could create a great result," to, "With this option, we will create a great result." Start to listen to the language you use in the workplace. And listen to the language other people use. Whose words and opinions do you believe in? How confident do they sound? What about those who don't sound confident? Can you identify the weak and unnecessary words they're using? Use stronger language when you speak and notice how much more confident you sound. Then start to notice how much more confident you feel as your communication skills improve. There are so many words and phrases that you use that make you sound unsure of what you're saying. And I've collected them all into a workbook that is available for you to download. I share weak words and suggest stronger words that you can use in their place. And I also highlight the phrases that you need to ditch from your vocabulary, to just stop using. Okay? And there's a link to this in the description below this video. Go check it out.